What's going on, everybody? Everything credit here. So, I had somebody reach out to me and ask about a certain credit repair company, and I've had several other people reach out to me about this same credit repair company. I really didn't want to look into it, but I figured I would. So, I've done a little bit of research. I'm not going to say the name of the company. If you want to know, I will tell you. Just reach out to me. But he goes on and on about how his company is the best company. I get it. Builds the confidence, whatever. He wants everybody to think that his platform is literally the only person that does credit repair, credit restoration, or credit solution that uses artificial intelligence or AI. Well, I'm here to tell you every software that there is uses AI or artificial intelligence. Doesn't matter what software you're using, it has an AI. So there's that. He also talks about not using entrepreneurs, people that are basically new to the game and just starting up. But then on his website, it literally has him listed as an entrepreneur. So again, I don't know how that works, but maybe he didn't think it through. I don't know. Here I go with the Another thing is he talks about companies charging monthly, specifically $99 a month because it's cheap. And I agree with him. $99 a month is super cheap, especially if you're using really good software. You're not going to make any money charging $99 a month. The problem is you're telling people not to do this, but on your website, you're literally charging a $99 monthly fee. Another thing that he's got going on his website is he also offers a one-time fee for him to personally do it himself for $1,500 to $2,500 based on your situation. Now, again, I'm not going to call this company out. Most of you are probably wondering, why are you even making this video? I'm making this video so y'all can understand that if you run into people that are doing the same stuff that they're telling you not to do, obviously it's a scam. I don't know this person. I don't know their intentions, but I do know if you tell people not to do something and then you're doing it, it makes absolutely no sense. So it's just another scam. Be very careful. He's not using software that uses AI, and he's not the only person that, I'm sorry, he is using software with AI. I have no doubt about that. All software has artificial intelligence built into it. I'm sorry, it just does. That's kind of the whole purpose in using software, or one of the purposes. But again, charging one-time fees is illegal. I don't care if you're doing credit repair, credit restoration, credit solutions, cannot be a one-time fee. Has to be a monthly subscription that the client slash customer agrees to. Otherwise, you can't charge anything. As you know, my agreement has a processing fee and then a monthly fee that is reoccurring. You can cancel at any time. Also, we have a money back guarantee. If you give me 6 months and nothing's been done, you get a full refund minus the processing fee. But again, I just wanted to kind of point this out, because if y'all are thinking about other companies, watch this video first, write down some notes on everything I'm telling you. One-time fees are illegal. Monthly fees are legal. All the software uses artificial intelligence. A lot of people that do this are entrepreneurs, but you can't go around telling people that entrepreneurs are going to scam you and then have in your bio that you are an entrepreneur yourself. Sorry for laughing. But anyway, I just want to make this video for y'all. Hope y'all enjoy it. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. I go live at least 4 times a week, sometimes more. I try to post several videos when I'm not busy. I will be going live tonight, and I hope y'all have a great day.